Japan is a country renowned for its rich cultural heritage and stunning architecture. From ancient temples to modern skyscrapers, the architecture of Japan is a blend of tradition and innovation that continues to inspire and captivate visitors from around the world. In the urban centers of Japan, such as Tokyo, you will find a mix of modern skyscrapers and innovative designs that push the boundaries of architecture. The cityscape is a testament to Japan's commitment to progress and innovation, while still maintaining a deep respect for its cultural roots. In contrast, the historic city of Kyoto is a treasure trove of traditional Japanese architecture. From the iconic wooden temples to the serene gardens, Kyoto offers a glimpse into Japan's ancient past and the craftsmanship of generations past. One of Japan's most famous architectural landmarks is the Himeji Castle, a stunning example of traditional Japanese castle architecture. The intricate wooden structures and defensive walls of the castle are a testament to the craftsmanship and ingenuity of the builders of the time. On the other end of the spectrum, the Tokyo International Forum is a prime example of modernist architecture in Japan. The futuristic design of the building, with its glass walls and soaring ceilings, is a symbol of Japan's forward-thinking approach to architecture and design. Whether you are exploring the ancient temples of Kyoto or marveling at the modern skyscrapers of Tokyo, the architecture of Japan is a reflection of the country's rich history and dynamic culture. From traditional wooden structures to cutting-edge designs, Japan's architecture is a true testament to the beauty and diversity of this fascinating country. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty of Japanese architecture. We hope you have been inspired to explore the wonders of Japan for yourself.